Greetings, my lords and my ladies, and welcome to the DaVinci Arcade. Introducing straight out of the Master's Workshop, the Grand Labyrinth. The ball is rolling, and the wheel is in your hands. It will require your concentration, communication, and collaboration. The labyrinth is designed for 2 players working in cooperation with each other to reach the goal. Try and roll along the path. Beware of the many traps. You'll either make it to the finish line, or else it's 1, 2, 3. You're out. We built the labyrinth standing 40 inches tall and 8 by 8 foot across. It takes 2 people to operate. We can accommodate a crowd of thrilled spectators, guaranteed to enjoy the game as well. Next to the Grand Labyrinth sits the Puzzle Cube. This old game will challenge any family or individual. Crafted from fine wood, these 7 different parts form a perfect cube. Another creation from the workshop of Arcade DaVinci. Introducing the latest attraction added to Arcade DaVinci, the Road to Tuscany. Inspired by a painting created by Leonardo da Vinci himself, this game, standing 12 foot tall, can be played with 2 players or 1. Using a system of rope and pulleys, this challenge requires the maneuvering of a ball through the various obstacles to try and reach the finish line at the top of the painting. Next to the game stands a post upon which a copy of Leonardo's original painting is displayed, including historical information about Da Vinci's art, providing entertainment as well as education about a true Renaissance master and his work. Arcade DaVinci's games are all crafted from wood. They each provide a unique challenge suitable for various ages and a fun spectacle for dozens of spectators. We started our arcade in early 2019 and have our games operating in Sherwood Forest Fair, Scarborough Fair, and the Texas Renaissance Festival. Entering our 2nd year, we would like to offer our unique games to new venues and would love to participate in your events. Please contact us for further details, and thank you for watching.